Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Findora coin. Ticker symbol is FRA. We're going to go over the information on the Findora coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So ticker symbol FRA. Total supply is 21 billion FRA coins. Circulating supply right now is 6.8 billion or so Findora coins. Now, you can find their Explorer at github.com/Findora Network. Their webpage is findora.org. I'm going to put their Twitter up there as usual so you guys can easily find that. At Findora on Twitter. And at Findora EN, which is English, on Telegram. So that's where you can find all the links for this project here. Now, Findora is a decentralized, privacy-preserving smart contract platform. Build the next privacy dApp for any Ethereum virtual machine chain with the world's leading zero-knowledge technology. Explore all new possibilities. So this coin is listed on a couple different central exchanges I found. So it is listed here on Bitmart, and it's also listed on Lbank. So either one of those, you could download Bitmart or Lbank from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get them on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ticker symbol FRA, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. Now, their white paper, insanely long. You can find their white paper at findora.org. 67 pages long of like super tiny print. So you could read forever about this project here on their white paper. In a nutshell, though, you're going to find the Cliff Notes, the short form, on their webpage, findora.org. So Findora hashtag expect privacy. So Findora is a layer 1 blockchain building a future for Web3 where you can expect privacy that's auditable and programmable. And there's a button that says build now, so you can start using it if you like. Own your Web3 data. So Findora's mission is to ensure you have the option of privacy in Web3 because you should hashtag expect privacy from the applications you use. Web3 is about ownership that should not be limited to holding or transferring your digital assets. Ownership also means being able to decide what aspects of those assets you disclose. So Findora's technology, Findora's unique product offering provides a privacy solution for any smart contract with scalability, ease of use, and decentralized security. Access our documentation and learn about Findora's architecture, cryptography, privacy features, SDKs, and more. So that's what I'm talking about, the 67-page huge white paper. But some of their technical highlights here, number 1 is compatibility. A series of integral toolkits, including RESTful APIs, privacy SDKs, and infrastructure for EVM-compatible applications and assets. Number 2 is privacy. The original UTXO-based chain with privacy-preserving features works with the EVM-based chain for programmable privacy. Efficiency, a highly efficient privacy-centered solution for private transactions featuring EVM compatibility. And lastly, scalability. So app chains provide Web3 games and other dApps the ability to run a dedicated side chain on Findora, allowing for scalability for growing your project. It's got dual chain architecture. So Findora combines an Ethereum virtual machine layer for compatibility with a UTXO layer optimized for privacy. Leverage either chain model as you build dApps with auditable privacy. By combining privacy with auditability, Findora prepares Web3 for mass adoption, empowering developers to protect users and comply with regulations. So it's powered by the FRA coin. So the network is powered by FRA, the native token of Findora. Take advantage of low fees on Findora. So it says you can get it on Bitmart, you can get it on Lbank that I said, which I mentioned earlier, but it also says Kucoin. Now Kucoin is probably the biggest exchange actually out of all three of those. So you can get it on all three of those exchanges, Lbank, Bitmart, and Kucoin. You can also stake the FRA native utility token and earn rewards by securing the network. Learn more about staking Findora's tokenomics on their white paper. They also have the Findora wallet. Obviously, if you have your own chain, your Findora chain, it's going to need its own wallet. So download the Findora wallet on desktop or mobile to issue private transactions between the privacy chain, UTXO, and compatibility chain, EVM, and more. And they have a link on their webpage to download the wallet at findora.org. So it says 16 block speed, 1.7 million transaction counts, 1.6 million addresses, and 35 dApps. Learn more. You could read, watch, or listen about Findora. They have videos, blogs, podcasts. You can join their communities. They have a Telegram, a Twitter, a Reddit, a Discord. At the bottom of their page, they have a GitHub Privacy SDK white paper developer portal, EVM Explorer, UTXO Explorer, Tokenomics, About Us, Media Kit, documentation, newsletter, blog, Twitter, Reddit, Discord, YouTube, LinkedIn, Telegram, media, careers, and grants. And you can find that all at findora.org. And you can find this token on Lbank, Bitmart, and Kucoin. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And check out the referral codes and hit the join button and support on Patreon and check out my Facebook and everything you could think of. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.